Hello, ALD franchisees. We are introducing the first release of the Insurance Adjuster mobile site. You can find the insurance site by visiting the URL insurance.americanleakdetection.com. Additionally, you can use your mobile device to go to our main website, americanleakdetection.com. If you do it on your mobile device, it's going to take you to the mobile optimized version of our website, where you'll now see a new menu item at the bottom that says Insurance Adjuster Portal, and you'll just want to tap or click that. And that's also going to take you to the home page, the login page of the Insurance Adjuster site. So again, insurance.americanleakdetection.com is the link to the adjuster site. The adjusters will come here. They can submit a job without registering, but we're going to encourage all the adjusters to register, as that's going to allow them to come back and log in and track their claims and just see all the information about the claim and where the ALD office is in regards to that claim. So we're going to go ahead and walk through the process that an adjuster is going to take their first time to our site. So they're going to come, they're going to click the Register Now button. I'm going to go ahead and register myself as an adjuster. Once I have my basic info there, I'm going to click Register, and that's going to log me in and drop me into the My Profile screen. They can, of course, edit their profile and add some extended information, as well as add the carriers, the insurance carriers that they represent. Before they're allowed to add jobs, they are going to be required to add insurance carriers, and we can see that by coming up here and clicking the Add Job button. It says, please add at least one insurance carrier before submitting a job. Obviously, we need to know what insurance carrier is going to be paying for this claim, so naturally we need them to add that carrier. So we're going to click here to add the insurance carrier. So let's go ahead and add an insurance carrier really quick. Okay, so once we've added the carrier, we'll see we're now assigned to one carrier. Can add as many carriers as they want, because obviously some of these adjusters represent multiple carriers. So now that we have a carrier, as the adjuster, we can go up here and add a job. The first step of adding the job is a service area check. We're going to want them to enter claim zip code to check service availability. The reason for this is we don't want them going through and adding all the claim info and then just to find out that we don't offer insurance service in that area. This works off the same zip locator as our main website and as our mobile website. However, this allows us to filter out those offices that do not offer insurance work, so that we are not confusing our adjusters or having them come up here and submitting jobs that then they're thinking they're getting followed up on, and maybe that local ALD office doesn't offer service. That is the point of this service area check. So if we come up here and we enter a zip code for which we do not offer service, it's going to say service not available, and then they'll know right there, well, no point in submitting a lead for that zip code because service is not available. If they put a zip code that we do offer service in, they will see service is available. And then they can continue on entering the rest of the claim information. So next step would be to select the carrier. We only have State Farm. If there were multiple carriers that I, as the adjuster, represented, I would be able to select them there. We can then put in a claim number, which is just their internal claim number. So claim 123. Let's go ahead and add a claim. Again, this is all the claim site information. We could add a cell phone, a fax, email, the first notice of loss date, and then just the some additional info about the job. So now we're going to go ahead and they're going to be taken back to their home screen, which is just going to show them a list of their jobs. If they had more jobs, you'd see them underneath this job. This is basically where they're going to get to see the status of their lead. Right now it's just received lead, meaning the system has received the lead. Once they submit that lead, the first thing that happens is you, the ALD franchisee, are going to get an email. It's going to say ALD insurance adjuster request received. And then here's the insurance adjuster request. This is much like the same lead emails you receive right now through Ally, with a little bit of additional info. We're going to have the claim site info. We're going to have the insurance carrier info. And we're going to have the adjuster's info, so that we can contact any one of these three entities for questions or information about the claim. First thing you're going to want to do when you get one of these leads is confirm your receipt of this lead. And that's important because it's going to let the adjuster know that you, a human being, have actually seen this lead and have begun our process as an ALD franchisee to service this lead. So the way to do that is to click this link right here that says click to confirm receipt. You can also view the full lead details on Ally by visiting the following address. So let's go ahead and view these lead details before we confirm this lead. So I'm going to log in as a franchisee, and you can see here's the lead, Joe Homeowner. This is the lead the adjuster just submitted. The lead information, the carrier information, the adjuster information, and then the information about the actual lead, where this is the information that the adjuster put in. The bathroom floor is wet. So now, again, we can confirm this lead through Ally. We can click on the insurance leads in the left menu, right under the regular leads section of Ally. This lead shows as not being confirmed yet. We can check this check mark to confirm this lead. Or again, checking this check mark, or going back to your lead email and checking the confirm receipt are all the same thing. They're just confirming that a human being has received this lead, and that we are going to start processing it. So let's go ahead and click to confirm receipt of this lead. You have confirmed receipt of this lead. A confirmation message has been sent to the insurance adjuster. So what's going to happen now is the insurance adjuster is going to get an email letting them know that the local ALD office has received the lead. So let's show you what that email looks like here. Here it is. Insurance adjuster request confirmed. This is again the email that the insurance adjuster is going to get back once you click that confirmation link. It's just going to let them know the request has been received and confirmed by the local office. Here's the local ALD office that's going to serve them. And here again, for their reference, is the claim site info. More just to jog their memory on which claim this is in reference to, because they, again, will have submitted multiple claims likely at some point. And that's about it.